morning, guys. Isang maulan na Monday, but we're still blessed. Let's go play some basketball to start our day. Well, actually, I went to the gym already. This is another extra activity for me today. Let's go. Alright guys, all done dito. Nakapagpapawis din tayo. Now let's go to Project West K. Kasi kahapon nilagay na yung vanity natin, tsaka yung sink. So let's go and check it out. Alright guys, we're here at our project. Hindi pa rin nila natatapos yung exterior. Akala ko lalagyan nila ng sod, pero hindi pa nagagawa. And it's still raining. Oh my god. Open up! How do you guys like the vanity?
Oh, they're nice.
It's nice, eh? I like this.
I like vessel sinks. Vessel sinks are my favorite.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're so nice. They just give it a little bit of flair.
Oh, look at this light, man. Bright. Hi, Jamie. You got any sleep today? Or you stayed up till 4 again? Okay. Jamie's always tired. Oh my god, this guys. Itong counter dito is iba kaysa sa taas kasi they don't have enough for this downstairs. So guys, I think this is going to our 3 weeks now. Kasi we got this on the 1st and it's the 20th today. So we're close. Close. Oh, that's small, eh?
It's pretty small, actually.
Is it centered though?
Right
That's
there.
the center.
Yeah, so we either go with a bigger mirror.
Oh fuck. Okay guys, everything looks good at our project. Baka ma-delay tayo ng few days. But other than that, everything looks good. Ngayon, magpapalunch si Boss Amo, manager. Magpapalunch ako sa kanila kasi why not? Lunch can go a long way. When you're building relationship with your people, feeding them, bro, the return of that, even with your investors and your guys, feeding them is great to do, especially when you're building connection and building relationship. So let's go pick up their food. Saan ka pa? Boss na, nagpapalunch pa, driver pa ng pagkain nila. Let's go. Let's go give them the food. Let's go. Daddy is back. Umuulan pa din. And then I gotta go home and eat. Here you go, son. Daddy's back.
Oh, and he's filming. Thank you, my daughter.
Okay. See you later. Alright, guys. Let's go home and eat lunch. Let's go.
Breaking news.
What'd you say?
Breaking news.
What's breaking news?
The big house. Breaking news. It's a wait all day. It's 9 and 10. It's 10 dad. It's called the big house. It's big butt. It's big butt.
What are you saying?
Big butt.
What are you saying?
Big butt.
Big butt?
Yeah.
Look, guys. Oh, look, mama. Look, mommy. I'm gonna subo.